how the electricity works from a simple calamansi fruit to a productive source of electricity. But before we start our demonstration, our topic is all about electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is from two Latin words, electricos, light. It is a general term that encompasses a variety of phenomena from the presence and flow of electric charge. It is the movement of electrons from one atom to another. Here are the materials: 5 screw, 5 calamansi, wire, and 5 cells, and light emitting diode. Okay. After we prepare the material, first the 5 cents are positive and the screw is negative. We put the 5 cents and screw into a calamansi. Then we put the wire with number 22 into point and screw. So when we connect the wire side to side and to negative and positive side of light emitting diode, or called LED, the power of electricity with a lightning bulb front of it. Okay, we connect the wire. Okay, after connecting the wires, we connect the pathway into light emitting diode. Of course, the screw is negative, that's why we connect it for negative into a negative wire, and the coin is positive, we connect it for positive wire. And the bulb light into dim. The calamansi is a source of energy, that's why the light emitting diode will light into dim.